So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to draw this wrench. So the first thing what you're going to do, you have to check this one, the bigger circle, and here there's a small circle. So the first one to define this one, the first head, you have to use with radius 16, and the other side you have to use radius 14.5. Then after that you have to go here in the middle and you have to draw the middle part of this tool by using 11 mm dimension. So the first thing what you are going to do, let us draw the larger circle by using radius 16. So you have to choose radius center, then you have to give 16 mm radius as is shown here, and then next you have to find the center of this circle by using from the center to the other side, as is shown here. It is 110 from center to center, so you have to define this ortho on, and you have to go here 110 millimeter distance to the other side. And after that you have to go here and check this one, the other outer circle, which is 40.5. Then I have to go here back and center radius. I have to draw a circle with 14.5 radius. After drawing these two circles, the next thing what you are going to do, you have to check the middle part. It has 11 mm dimension. So what you are going to do, the center line, you have to offset this one. You have to go here. This is offset. Then you have to define offset radius. It is 5.5 mm. You have to write it here. Then after that, click the center line, then the top one center line, and to the other side. So as it is shown here, from here to here, it is 11 mm dimension. Then after that, what we're going to do, you have to check this thing. Radius 47. It is affiliated with radius 47. So what you are going to do, go here. It is, you have to choose fillet. Then you have to define the fillet radius here. You have to click here radius. Then you have to give 47 here. Then enter. Then choose the line, then the circle as is shown here, then enter. Whenever you press enter, it continues the previous command. So it was fillet, then it will continue the fillet command. So click here, then click this line. Then after that, you have to enter again. It will continue fillet, but now you have to change the fillet radius. The fillet radius here, the other side is 23, so you have to change the fillet radius. Click here, then change the fillet radius like 23. Then after that, go back here, click this one, and click the other side. And at the same time, enter again. It will take the same fillet radius, 23, so click this one and click the other side. So as it is shown here, you create the overall skeleton of this part. So the next thing what you're going to do, just you have to define this part. You have to define this part, the opening. So to do that, as it is shown here, it is 17. Let us draw a rectangle with 17 mm opening. So this is you have to just draw 70 millimeter wide rectangle, but the length any length you want. So 17 as it is shown here, then enter like this. Now what you are going to do, you have to rotate this one. So go to rotate command, rotate like this, click there and enter. Now first hold it here and then put it horizontally like this. After keeping it again, go to rotate command, then click again it, then enter. Then hold at the center and choose ortho of this one and choose 30 degree. You see, then after that it is 30 degree So again, it is 30 degree. After this one, what you are going to do, you have to go to move tool and click the object to move, then enter. Then what you are going to do, you have to hold it here or stand it back like this. Then move tool, move, then click the object, enter, then hold it the tip here. If this thing, this object snap, you have to click this one. The end point must be active, midpoint, center point like this. So based on this, you have to choose here as a midpoint, then move it here. So you see, you hold it already, then move it and keep the midpoint like this here. And let me move this thing somewhere else. Move. Let me move it here just like this. So after finishing this one, what we are going to do, just let us zoom this part. So this region, it's requested you to draw a radius with 30 millimeter. So what you are going to do, go back here and draw a center line from this midpoint to the other side like this vertically. Ortho on, you can make it just like, okay, ortho off, it is not required. Just like this to the midpoint, you have to choose 30 mm. You see, as this shown here. Then after 30 mm, you have to draw a circle with radius, center radius. Then draw a circle like this and touch here the midpoint with 30 mm radius as this shown here, right? Then after that, go to trim and you have to trim this unwanted region from this part like this. This is not required, so you have to remove this unwanted region from this part as is shown here. So the first part you already finished, and the other side you have to go to the other side and you have to check this one. It says 13. The same procedure you have to follow. Just to go to rectangle and draw like this and check this, the horizontal opening, the width. You have to choose 13 like this, then enter. Then what you are going to do, just rotate it horizontally first. Rotate this one just like ortho on, just keep it just like this. Then after that, the same thing, you have to use rotate tool, rotate tool again, just choose object, enter, and you have to rotate this one with 30 degree like this. Then after that, just move tool, choose the move tool, then choose object, enter, then go to the midpoint and move it and keep it here, right? Keep it here. Then after that, just what you are going to do here, it shows, it says how much radius, 40.5, 14. No, it is radius 9. It is given here 9, so you have to use 9 mm radius. To do that, just draw a line from the center and to the other side to the center, right, ortho off, and go to this direction with 9 mm. So as is shown here, that is the end point. Then draw a circle with 9 mm diameter radius. Then it will touch this one here. Then after that, what you are going to do, just trim unwanted regions from this object. As is shown here, these are not required. These are not required. So these are not required. They have to remove it by using the same and just like this. You have to remove this trim and on the part from here, just like this, right? The same thing here also. Remove this unnecessary parts from this object. Then finally, it is possible to get the required shape as is shown here. So if you go and give some dimensions, then you'll find this the right dimension here, right? The same thing here, also radius, and here you'll find this one 16, and at the same time this one with 13, right? Then this dimension between the top, this one and the other one, it is 11, and also this one you can check, it is 40.5, and also the other thing you'll find this part, it is 14, the same thing, and this one just you'll find radius with 9. So based on this you can easily define or draw this opener or wrench. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.